Good evening, students. Today we have to learn under the unit Creative Application, Chapter 3 General Office Applications. Let us see the learning objectives. What is OpenOffice? Packages of OpenOffice. Letter writing in OpenOffice Writer. Let us learn what is OpenOffice. OpenOffice.org is a open source software project. It is a open source software project. It is developed by numerous developers. It is developed by numerous developers and it is compatible with all major platforms. It is suitable for the platform Microsoft Windows, Apple Mac OS and Linux. What is OpenOffice? OpenOffice is a open source software project. Okay, it is suitable for offices. Some of the packages of OpenOffice is OpenOffice Writer, Calc and Impress. Let us see what you mean by the term package. Let us compare MS Office package with OpenOffice package. MS Office, we are familiar with MS Access, Excel, PowerPoint and Word. Like that, OpenOffice packages are similar to OpenOffice Calc, Draw, Impress, Math and Writer. Now we have to compare the OpenOffice Writer with MS Word. It is a full-featured word processor. It features unique tools such as Navigator and Stylist. These make changing the formatting throughout a large document easily. So the OpenOffice Writer uses a special type of word processor called it uses a unique tool that is called as Navigator and Stylist. Okay, a text document is displayed and edited in Writer window. Let us see the MS Word window with Writer window. Both are as like a similar. Now move on to another topic, OpenOffice Calc. OpenOffice Calc is used for calculation purpose. It is a full feature spreadsheet. It is similar to MS Excel. MS Excel, what we have to done in the MS Excel, it is used for calculation. Similar that we have to use it. Next, to move on to the next one, OpenOffice Impress. OpenOffice Impress is a full feature presentation tool. It is similar to that of the MS PowerPoint presentation. With the help of OpenOffice Impress, we have to create a presentation. Now let us see letter writing in OpenOffice Writer. How to create a new letter in OpenOffice Writer. Steps to create a letter. Start all programs openoffice.org. It is a method to open an app. The home screen of the OpenOffice appears. Look at the home screen. This is called as a home screen of OpenOffice. Now I just explain with the help of a demo. Now move on to start, then all programs. In that you just select openoffice.org. Then the home screen of the OpenOffice appears. In the home screen, if you want to type a letter or create a new document, now you have to select a text document option. Okay. In the OpenOffice home screen, you just select the text document option. Let us see the window of the text document. It is similar to that of the MS Word window. Okay, just type the heading of the letter writing. Before that, we just learn at the top of each document it contains a title bar. Below that, it is called as a menu bar. Then toolbar is present. I just type the letter writing heading. Next, the place. Next, date. Next, from. Okay, it's enough, I think so. Letter writing we just learn from the standard photo, so that I just here explain how to do the formatting option in the letter writing. Okay, I just select the always the heading is at the center. No, I just select the letter writing and align the center. Okay, now I just change the size of the letters. So select the letter size. Okay. Before do the formatting option, you have to select the desired text. Then I just select the word letter writing and change the font style. We are familiar with the MS Word window. What are the formatting option we just already done in our MS Word window? It is similar to that of the OpenOffice Writer window. Okay. Next I change it to italics, then underline it. Then I select the words place and date and move to left alignment. Okay. Right alignment, then from is the left align. Then let us move to the font color. I think all are well known about the font color. Letter or color. We have to change the letter color. Then another one, I just select the place and date and change the color. Next, I just change the text color. Now move on to the next one, highlighting. I think all are well known about our highlighting. We are already do the highlighting option in GK book. No, I just select the word letter writing and just change the background color. Okay, that letter writing, just highlight the color whatever you want. Then move on to the back color. Back color means it change the color of the particular line. Okay, I just change the color of background color for Pudukkottai is yellow. So you have to change it as your wish. I think all are clearly about that background color and highlighting. What is the difference between change of background color and highlighting option? Okay. After you just type the letter writing, what you have to do? You have to save it. No. So go to file menu and select save option. A dialog box will be opened. What is the name of the dialog box? Save as dialog box. In that you just select the location where you have to save the letter. You just select the location. Then go to the file name text box. Okay. You just type the name of the letter. Whatever you want, you just type the name of the letter. After type the letter name, what you have to do, just save the button. Click the save button. Okay, just to save the letter with the help of save button. Now I just go through it with the help of a screenshot. Move to the PowerPoint presentation. Letter writing in OpenOffice Writer. Start all programs. OpenOffice.org. The home screen appears. In that home screen, you just select what text document option. What option? Text document option. Then the text document option opens. A new document will be appear. In that you just type the address and they give some of the format for typing a letter. Address and date in the top left corner of the document. In the book they just indicate address and date at the top left corner. Then to address and subject of the body you have to type it. Then we already know signature is at the bottom of the document. Then what are the formatting option you want to do? You just do it. Before that you just select the desired text. It is very important to know that you have to select the desired text. Then steps to save the document. Click on the file menu, choose save option, then save as dialog box appears. In that you just type the name and click save button. Let us see the picture. Go to file menu and select save option. Save as dialog box opens. No. Then you have to select the location in save in text box. In the save in portion you just select the location. Then near to the file name you just type the name of the file letter. Then click what option? Save. You just click the save button. Then what are the points you just remember? OpenOffice is an open source software project. It is suitable for offices. Some of the packages means first one OpenOffice Writer. It is to the text document. To create a spreadsheet you just use OpenOffice Calc. To create PowerPoint presentation means you just use the OpenOffice Impress. To create a letter, first to open the text document in the home screen. Then save option is already available in the file menu. Just note it down. The file menu contains the save option. Okay students, thank you.